So let's graph the linear equation y equals negative x plus 3. We'll use slope-intercept form here to do that. So the y-intercept is that 3 there. So we can go right to that y-axis, go up, there's 3. That's our y-intercept. For the slope, what we're going to do for the m, we're going to put a 1 here because negative 1x is the same as negative x. And then we're going to just put this over 1 here. And that way, when we do this, 1 over 1, still 1, hasn't changed anything. But we call this rise, and we can call this run right here. So now we go back to that y-intercept. We rise 1, except it's negative. So we need to go down 1, and then the run is positive 1 over 1. And we just keep doing that. Down 1, over 1, you can see that line forming there. Down 1, over 1. Let's do one more. Down 1, over 1. And that is the line for y equals negative x plus 3. Let's put a line through that. Then we'll put arrows here to show that it goes to infinity. So that's the graph for y equals negative x plus 3 using slope-intercept form. You could use a table of values where you put values in for x, solve this side, get y, and then graph them. You'll get the same graph, same thing there. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.